Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Eye Care Advisor. Today I am going to showing a product, the UV sterilizer. It is used for sterilizing any spectacle and or any eyewear. So I will just show you this one, how to use this and what are the things. As you can see here, it's written UV sterilizer. It is used for clean and hygienic purpose. Okay, and the process takes overall 3 minutes. So I will start the one and I will show you. First I will plug in the USB data cable. So you see,
welcome to use the multifunctional disinfection counting machine.
So you see this is the switch for sterilizer, and there is another switch and it shows the percentage was 25%, 50%, 75 and 100%. So how much it take time. So I will open this box, and if you have the glass, you can just put the glass inside this. You have to close this box, and once you close and you start it, you should not open it. So I will now start the process of sterilizing.
Hello, the disinfection and coating process is in progress.
So now it started, it's in the 25%, and as the time progresses, it takes overall 3 minutes to do the total processing. So I will just fast forward this one now, and I will show you again to the later part. So you can see now it's in the 50% time already there. Now you can see it's 75% complete.
Disinfection coating process completed.
So now you can see it's also told the disinfection process is completed. So we can take the glasses out, and we can now use the glass. It's totally disinfected, this one, and it's sterilized. But one thing I want to tell you, while the process is going on, don't open this box, because this UV rays, what it comes from this, it can damage and harm your eyes. So once the process complete, then only you can do these things. And once you are starting this one, it will give the beep.
The disinfection and coating process is in progress.
So it will start like this, and it will be 25%, then 50, then 75 and 100, and then at the end it will be done. So this is a very good instrument. I think if you want, you can buy this. I am not promoting any brands. Any brands, you will, if you go online, you will get a lot of brands. Even you can say I close the brand, and you can buy this and use this, as this is a very good way to sterilize the glasses. So for today now friends, thank you and bye bye. If you like, please share the video with other friends and subscribe persons. Bye bye.